Hey, let me show you how to schedule a meeting for everyone in a Webex Teams space. Sometimes you want to meet with everyone in your group. You can schedule a meeting with them right from the place where your work chats are taking place. In the space, go to the Activity menu and choose Meetings. Click Schedule a Meeting and a new meeting invite opens in Microsoft Outlook. Here's where you can set up your meeting. Everyone in your space gets added to the invite automatically, so you don't need to enter everyone's names or worry about forgetting anyone. By default, the space name also gets added as the meeting's name. You can edit the subject field to change the meeting name. Your invite also includes the @Webex: keywords in the location field. These keywords remind you that the meeting's taking place in Webex Teams. Set any other options you need for your meeting, including the date and time and any recurrence options. Click Send to invite everyone to your meeting. After you've sent the invite, you'll be able to see the scheduled meeting in your space's chat. You can also see all of your upcoming meetings listed out in your space. Just go to the Activity menu and choose Meetings. You should see the meeting that you've just scheduled in the list now. If you've set it up as a recurring meeting, you'll see them all on the list too. Click the meeting to see information about it, like the date, time, and location. You can also see who's accepted or declined your meeting invitation. And if you need to make any changes to a meeting, click the pencil icon to reopen Outlook. Finally, to get back to your space, click the space name. Visit Cisco Collaboration Help to learn more about Webex Teams. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.